Hello children, let me introduce myself. This is Mrs. Varsha Kale, class teacher of Rhenium and math subject teacher of Rhenium and Silver. In 8th standard, 7th standard, you learned rational numbers, their operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we are going to learn first chapter of the syllabus, number system. In this subtopic, real number. What is real number? Real number means numbers which are really means जो सच में है उन्हें हम रियल नंबर्स कहते हैं. What are real numbers? Numbers जो सच में है which are real are real number. Now we are classifying real number in two types, in two part. Okay. दो टाइप के नंबर्स ही पता है. फर्स्ट इज विथ डेसिमल and another type is without decimal. Okay. अब with decimal में there are three types with decimal. For example, 1.5. Second type is 1.12 and third type is 2.1234 . ठीक है. Without decimal, you know number line. This is positive side up to infinity. This is negative side up to infinity, and 0 is the center of the number line. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. All these are integers. All these are integers. Up. What is next? Right side of the number line are natural numbers, from one right side of the number line is natural number. Or other name of the natural number we can say counting numbers, जो काउंट किए जाते हैं. Okay. Now these are positive integers, these are negative integers, and this one is zero integer. अब natural number में अगर if you add 0 plus natural numbers, zero plus natural number यानी from 0 to the positive side are whole number. Understood? Listen. On number line, these are to the right all are positive integers, to the left all are negative integers, and this is zero integer. Okay. Then 1 to all whole positive side is natural numbers. Natural numbers को counting numbers भी बोलते हैं. Natural numbers with 0 is whole number. अब अब इससे भी और नंबर्स आपको आप सीख चुके हैं, प्राइम अनदर टाइप, देन को प्राइम, composite, even, odd, composite, etc. Okay, now move to the left side. 1.5 means here we can 15 divided by 10, we can write this 1.5 like this, 15 upon 10. 15 divided by 10, that is 10 ones are 10, remainder is 5. Then take 0, put decimal. Now 10 5s are 50, remainder is 0, means division is completely over. This 15 is completely divided by the 10. That means terminating numbers. This number is terminating. What is the meaning of terminating? जो खत्म होता है, डिवीजन जहां खत्म होता है, completely division is over, text plus is the terminating number. Terminating, these are terminating. Now this one 1.121212. अब you just observe it, ध्यान से देखो तो यहाँ ये जो है ये एक यूनिट रिपीट हो रहा स्लॉट, so we can write this number like this, 1 point recurring 1 2. ओके, अब जहां इस तरह के नंबर्स रिपीट होते हैं, डिवीजन इज नॉट ओवर, ये डॉट डॉट शो करता है कि प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन, डिवीजन इज नॉट over, remainder is not 0 here, that means non terminating, non terminating. This dot 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 3 dot shows process is going on, division is not over, remainder is not 0, that means this type of numbers are non terminating. अब ये रिपीट कर रहे हैं 1 2 1 2 1 2 लाइक दिस, मीन्स रिपीटिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, रिपीटिंग, एंड रिपीटिंग मीन्स रिकरिंग. These type of decimals are called non terminating recurring. Okay, अब इन दोनों को मिला के टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिकरिंग आर रैशनल नंबर्स, आर रैशनल नंबर्स, एंड रैशनल नंबर्स कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P upon Q. P and Q both are integers. P and Q both are integers. Q for a condition Q not equal to 0. Got it? Now this third type, 2.12345 dot 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 means again division is never ending, means नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो तो ये नंबर्स रिपीट हो रहे थे, यहाँ वो रिपीटेशन भी नहीं है, 1 2 3 4 5 लाइक दिस. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिकरिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिकरिंग. ओके, अब वन मोर, √2, ये भी नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग में आता, क्योंकि इनकी वैल्यू जो है इट इज नॉट नेवर एंडिंग, डिवीजन विल गॉन. So root 2, root 3, root 5. Now root 4. Root 4 means 2 and 2 means what? It is an integer, isn't it? So this is rational number. So I say the numbers which are not perfect square. Numbers which are not perfect square in root are non-terminating, non-recurring. Now these numbers are irrational numbers. ऐसे नंबर्स जिनका स्क्वायर रूट निकलता ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है ही नहीं, isn't it? Are irrational numbers. Understood? So this is the complete mind map of real numbers. अब वापस इस तरफ आते हैं. See the number line. Again, positive side from 0 is positive integers. This is negative side is negative integers. Okay. So the question is, every integer is a rational number? Every integer is a rational number? Yes. We can write every integer in the form of p upon q. Suppose 2. We can write this 2 upon 1 means p upon q. P and q are integers. Yes. Then 3 upon 1. Again it is in the form of p upon q. Means this one is rational number. Minus 3 upon 1. Minus 3 is integer. 1 is integer means q not equal to 0. Means all integers are rational numbers. Just opposite, every rational number is an integer. क्या हर रैशनल नंबर को अपन इंटीजर के फॉर्म इंटीजर्स हो सकता है? नो. वाई? अब ये तो is this clear? Now 2 upon 3 it's a rational number, or 3 upon 2 is a rational number. 3 and 2 both are integers. Q not equal to 0, but this is the fraction, it is not an integer. So every rational number is not an integer. Next, all natural numbers are whole numbers? No. Why? Because 0 is not in natural number. 0 is not in natural number. So this is false statement. Every